My name is Marit, and I'm the CEO and founder of Capassa. How many of you are in charge of the financials of a company or are on the board of directors of a company? Yeah, quite a few. So then you know that financial data are important, but it can also be very tedious and extremely boring, especially when you want to focus on business creation. The problem today is that a lot of SMEs are struggling financially, and they do end up, a lot of them, going bankrupt. We figured we needed to do something about this, and that's why we started Capassa, your digital CFO. So basically what we do, we help you give a great overview and control over your financial numbers. We help you remember dates, rules, and regulations. We advise you, we help you make advices, and we do that based on your own financial data. We ensure that we also do help you with making predictions of the future. So the digital CFO is making predictions for the next 3 months. And then of course, the goal of the company would be to beat the predictions made by the digital CFO. Think about Capassa as your personal financial trainer. We also help you save money and time. We've automated basically everything that's coming as far as reporting is concerned. We have a platform. It's very secure. It's scalable. We aggregate data from everywhere. We're currently based in Norway, and we are looking into expanding into the UK in the next 1 or 2 years. Very interesting market. We would definitely need to raise capital. And we are going to make finance easier and maybe even fun. Thank you.
Danes are obsessed with money. So I mean, this sounds for me very exciting, and I guess particularly sort of in this world of diversity inclusion, where you often put board members in that maybe don't have a CFO or financial background. So is that something you are targeting, particularly those companies with maybe a weaker financial board?
Absolutely, absolutely. And the great service that we're delivering is basically for board members. You can just give them access to the platform, and then the board members will have access daily to daily updated data for companies where they are on board of directors. And yes, it is important, especially in these difficult times when a lot of companies are having problems. It is important when you're on the board of director, because it's you're responsible basically for so yes, absolutely.
And where does the data come from?
The data comes from a lot of different sources, but basically we started out with PSD2. We started out in 2018, and we wanted to make a change because of with this PSD2. Then we realized getting access to data from the PSD2 data in Norway, that was very, very difficult. So we sort of thought, okay, what are we going to do? We just quit our jobs, and we are sort of having a bit of an issue here. We need to sort of do a bit of a pivot. And then we realized accounting, now that's a great area for data. There's a lot of information, and there's a way more and much more sexy information in accounting. I never thought I'd say that. Because accounting is like...
Yeah, we need to have a chat. It's always interesting.
Yeah, it's really, really bad. But seriously, if you... What's that?
Oh, I said what drums you?
No, but the thing is, what happens basically is, it's the algorithms. It's the machine learning that you can use on the data, and that's basically what's beautiful, not accounting itself.
Awesome. Done. Perfect. Thank you so much.
Thank you.